Hi, welcome to NewTech YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to study and solve example on superposition theorem. Let's start. The superposition theorem is used in network or circuit theory. It is applied to the individual sources and then add the results obtained by each sources independently. This theorem mostly applied to a linear circuits. Now see some key terms. First key term, linear circuit statement. A circuit whose parameters are not changed with respect to current and voltage. Second key term, turned off statement. It means all the independent sources are replaced by their internal resistances. We just studied some important key terms. Now let's understand statement of superposition theorem as statement. The voltage across or current through an element in linear circuit is the algebraic sum of the voltages across or current through that element due to each independent source acting alone. In short, to a given circuit, apply independent sources and then add the results of the same. Let's understand the contribution of individual sources to the given circuit. Select independent source which are acting alone. Then the remaining voltage sources are made zero by replacing them with short circuit as shown in the diagram, where voltage V is equal to 0 but current must be flowing through that short circuit path. Now again select independent source which are acting alone. Then the remaining current sources are made zero by replacing them with open circuits as shown in diagram, where current I is equal to 0 but voltage V must exist across that open circuit path. Up till now we have studied some key terms with open circuit and short circuit conditions. Let's study procedure of superposition theorem. Procedure. Step 1. In a network or circuit containing multiple independent sources, each source can be applied independently with the remaining sources turned off. Procedure step 2. To turn off a voltage source, replace it with a short circuit, and to turn off a current source, replace it with an open circuit. Procedure step 3. When the individual sources are applied to the circuit, all the circuit laws and techniques we have learned must be applied to obtain a solution. Procedure step 4. The results obtained by applying each source independently are then added together algebraically to obtain a solution. Using procedure of superposition theorem, let's solve example on the same. Example statement. Find out voltage V0 using superposition theorem. Let's see given data. Voltage source VA is equal to 15 volt. Resistor R1 is equal to 10 ohm. R2 is equal to 20 ohm. R3 is equal to 30 ohm and current source IP is equal to 2 ampere. Now using the same, find output voltage V0 using superposition theorem. Let's find output voltage V0 as total output voltage V0 in volt is equal to voltage V01 when voltage source VA is acting alone plus voltage V02 when current source IP is acting alone in the given circuit. Solution part 1. Assume voltage source VA as independent voltage source and open circuit the current source IP. Then circuit becomes, let's see the circuit diagram. We have replaced current source IP with open circuit, means current IP is equal to 0 ampere. Now find output voltage V01 as, with reference to previously studied circuit diagram, voltage V01 calculated as voltage V01 is equal to resistor R3 divided by resistor R1 plus R2 plus R3 with multiply with the voltage source VA. Now substitute values of voltage source VA is equal to 15 volt, resistor R1 is equal to 10 ohm, resistor R2 is equal to 20 ohm and resistor R3 is equal to 30 ohm in the given formula. Output voltage V01 is equal to 30 ohm divided by 10 ohm plus 20 ohm plus 30 ohm multiply with the 15 volt. Therefore, after calculation, we get voltage V01 is equal to 7.5 volt. This is the output voltage when voltage source VA is acting alone in the given circuit. Solution part 2. Assume current source IP as an independent current source and short circuit the voltage source VA, then circuit becomes, let's see the circuit diagram. We have replaced voltage source VA with short circuit, means voltage VA is equal to 0 volt and also labeled the node as a VP with current sources I1, I2 and IP are leaving from the node. Now find output voltage V02 as, apply KCL at node VP, gives equation as current source I1 plus current source IP plus current source I2 is equal to 0, which is represented by equation 1, where current source I1 is equal to voltage VP upon resistor R1, current source IP is equal to 2 ampere and current source I2 is equal to voltage VP divided by resistor R2 plus R3 are calculated using previously studied circuit diagram. Now using values of current source I1, IP and I2 in equation as voltage VP upon resistor R1 plus current source IP plus voltage VP upon resistor R2 plus R3, which is equal to 0. Now substitute values of IP is equal to 2 ampere, resistor R1 is equal to 10 ohm, resistor R2 is equal to 20 ohm and resistor R3 is equal to 30 ohm. We get simplified equation as voltage VP upon 10 ohm plus voltage VP upon 50 ohm is equal to minus 2 ampere. Now then calculate value of VP as, by making denominator common, equation becomes 50 VP plus 10 VP is equal to minus 2 ampere into 500, or 60 VP is equal to minus 1000, gives value of VP is equal to minus 1000 divided by 60 is equal to minus 16.667 volt. Using value of voltage VP, calculate current I2 and output voltage V02 as, current I2 is equal to voltage VP divided by resistor R2 plus R3. Substitute values of VP is equal to minus 16.667 volt, resistor R2 is equal to 20 ohm and resistor R3 is equal to 30 ohm. After calculation, we get current I2 is equal to minus 0.33334 ampere. Now obtain voltage V02 when current source IP acting alone as output voltage V02 is equal to current I2 into resistor R3. Substitute values of current I2 and I3 as voltage V02 is equal to minus 0.33334 multiplied with 30 ohm. After calculation, we get output voltage V02 is equal to minus 10.0002 volt. Let's add the results and calculate total output voltage V0 is equal to voltage V01 plus voltage V02 as substitute values of V01 as 7.5 volt and voltage V02 as minus 10.0002 as previously calculated. We get total output voltage V0 is equal to minus 2.5002 volt. Using Multisim software, we have verified the value of total output voltage V0 is equal to minus 2.5 volt, which is same as per calculated by using procedure of superposition theorem. In this video, we have studied theory and solved example on superposition theorem. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you.